Okay, so now we are going to mark our cut pieces for drilling. I've already taken the burr off, which you can do using a file or very quickly on the disc sander. For this, you need a scribe and a ruler for your marking. Basically, what you want to do is take your scribe and place it in one corner of your piece. Line up your ruler across the middle. And just drag a line there. Going with your scribe at the corner first helps you line up your ruler. And that is now marked. And then the second set of tools you need is a center punch. Center punch is different from a scribe. Scribes are longer and narrower with a sharper point. Center punches are quite thicker with a duller point that are meant for punching. And with this, you take your piece, take your time, line up very carefully in the middle. Put a little bit of downward pressure using your hand, and then you just need 2 quick hits with a ball peen hammer. So that is all you need. And there you have a center punch that will help drive where your drilling starts. Okay, so we are now going to drill our piece. I already have my vise attached to the drill bed. The drill bed secured. I have it at a level that will work for both center drilling and regular drilling. And take your time to line this up before, and then once you get this center lined up, it should stay in the same position for all of your drilling. First, you will need a center drill, which is one of these short double-sided drill bits. This will help start your drilling in a perfectly centered spot. Get it in the drill chuck, tighten that up, and you are only going down a little bit to start your drilling. Just going about maybe 5 millimeters down. And then that is you center drilled. Then we are going for a 10.5 millimeter hole. So you go down to about that spot there for your center drilling. Our end goal is 10.5 mil, but we don't want to start there because that is too much material to take out all at once. So we're going to step it up. We're going with a 5.5, then a 7.5, then a 10.5. And this is just a process of taking bits in and out of the chuck. And again, if this doesn't move, you should be able to just drill in the same spot as you go. It's not in there correctly. And when you're drilling any metal, just take your time, keep a nice consistent pressure going through. If you stop for a little bit, that swarf will break and it won't get so long. Oh. If your piece comes out like that, just leave it on the bit, stop the machine, and then take it off. I want to, before I get going, make sure that I am lined up, which I am. So I'll make sure that's good and tight this time. Change out your bit, so on and so forth, up until you reach your final desired diameter. Again, notice how I'm stopping just a little bit and it's keeping that swarf nice and short. You make sure that you are wearing eye protection while you are using this. Or even though you have cleared away a lot of material, you want to take your time going through this. And that is your piece drilled. Again, this shouldn't produce too much heat, but that is that ready to go. If you are drilling brass or steel, it's a good idea to use cutting fluid. If you're drilling a deeper hole with aluminum, also a good idea to use cutting fluid. And there you go.